LCM, we'll consider two or more numbers. Two or more numbers. Exactly. For example, if I take the number 2, what will be the multiples of 2? 2 into 1? 2 into 2? 4. Yes. 2 into 3? 6. 2 into 4? 8. 2 into 5? 10. And so on. Isn't it? Let me write more. Here 15, 18, 21 and so on. Here after 10 we'll get 12. 14, and so on. So now we have written all the multiples. We have written all the multiples for 3 and 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we will find what are the common between them, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the common multiples between them?
6, 12.
Wait, yeah.
6,
First one, 3, 2, not common. 6 is common.
6 is common.
After that, check. 12 is common, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then you can find 18 will be common here.
Yes, sir.
Right? You will find 18 will be common here.
Yes, sir.
So these are your common multiples.
Yes, sir.
And out of them you have to find the
Least.
least. What do you mean by least?
Sir, the least.
This finger has been at you for the last 4 or 5 seconds. What do you mean by least? Your name was? Sanvi. Are you Sanvi?
No, sir.
Why are you raising your hand? Sanvi, what do you mean by least? Least means? Least means? Last. Least has an extra E. Least doesn't mean last. What does least mean? Least means lowest. Lowest, isn't it? Least means?
Lowest.
You know what is lowest? Lowest, highest,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Least means?
Lowest.
Lowest, isn't it? Least means?
Lowest.
Least means?
Lowest.
So, which is the lowest among all these common multiples?
6.
Sanvi, among all these common multiples, which is the lowest?
6.
6, isn't it? The common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. So which is the lowest among all of them?
6.
6. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2?
6.
6. So the LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is the concept of LCM clear?
Yes, sir.
You can similarly find the LCM of more than 2 numbers as well.
Yes, sir.
Is the concept clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? I'm asking again and again.
No, sir.
Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
And by the way, third bench, where are your copies? You don't need copies? Where are your copies? Where is your pen? Where is your pen? Pen, P-E-N, pen. Not brought. Pencil? Marker? Anything? No. Where is your copy? Anything to write on? Nothing. This is what class is this? Maths class, isn't it? Is it a reading class? No, right. It is a maths class. How do you do maths? With pen and paper? Where is your pen and copy? What is your name? Badrinath. Do you know how much you got, Badrinath, in your test? Did you get your test paper? No, you'll get on Saturday. I still remember your marks, Badrinath. Sit down. And what about you? Where was this copy before? So, everybody understood how to find the LCM?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? I'm asking again and again. Okay. Very easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there are 2 methods of finding LCM. I'm erasing the board. Okay, Digant, I'm erasing the board. There are 2 methods of finding the LCM. We are at chapter number 5, page number 33. Yes. The 2 methods of finding LCM are two methods for finding LCM are: number 1 is prime factorization method. Number 1 is
Prime factorization method.
prime factorization method, and number 2 is division method. Okay, so now
So side please. Side.
but other than these methods, we have another method, the one we used for finding LCM just now, isn't it? First of all, just now we found the LCM of 3 and 2. How did we find that? Just by simply writing the multiples, isn't it? But that is not actually always possible. Since we had small numbers like 3 and 2, so we could easily write the multiples and see the common one, isn't it? But if they are big numbers, will it be easy? No. It won't be easy, right? If I tell you to find the LCM of 21 and 41, will it be easy to do it in that way? No. So we'll have two methods which will make it easy for us to find the LCM. Okay. First is your prime factorization method and second is your division methods. Now let us see. Let us see what? How to find the LCM with the help of prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay? So now, let us take an example. Find the LCM of
54 and 21.
In your book it is given. Let us take that example only. It will be easier for you to understand. Find the LCM of 54 and 21, isn't it? 54 and 21. So in prime factorization method, what will we do? First, we'll write the numbers as product of their prime factors. What will we do? Prime factors. How do we find the prime factors? Do you remember? 54. How to find the prime factors? Is it divisible by the lowest prime number 2? Start with the lowest prime number, isn't it? The lowest is 2. So if you divide it by 2, you will get quotient. Then 27, can you divide by 2? 3. 3 into 9. Then again 3. Then 3 ones are. That's it. So these are your prime factors. These are the prime factors. So I can write 54 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Can I write it? Now what about 21? Digant? What about 21? Do 21 and tell me. Write the prime factors of 21 and tell me. Digant doesn't have a book also, so I don't need to worry about him cheating from the book. Let me see what Digant does. Write it, Digant. Fine. Write 21 as product of prime factors. Write it. Write it. Do it. Let him come back.
Any one number? Any number?
Any number. Which number?
So 54 and
54. 54. Digant, how to write the prime factors? Everyone is shouting 3 into 7, 3 into 7. Still, you cannot write the prime factors. Why, Digant? Why, Digant? COVID-19, coronavirus, so let us not study, isn't it? Online exams. Everybody passed with flying colors. Right? And then when Corona is gone, now everybody's true colors are out. What happened, Digant? How to write prime factors? Do you know? You don't know? Let us see. I just wrote for 54. Did you listen? Then why can't you write for 21? Because you didn't listen. You are shouting, sir, 2 into 3, 6, 6, 6. What is 6 coming here? Anything is coming here with 6? No. Mathematics is fun. It's good to take fun in mathematics. But what? Take fun in the right way, isn't it? By learning. Everyone sitting at home, I'd kindly like to remind you that if the meeting suddenly ends, then quickly join again. So, careful. So, we did for 54, let us do for 21. How to do for 21? Yes, slowly. Slowly, I am telling you. I will tell it just one last time, especially for Digant and others. Those who are unable to do it. Say, the number is 21. You have to find the prime factors. Which is, you have to start with the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number, Digant? 3. There is no other number